stop playing with him.
Jadavinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
Alright, so today I'm gonna show you guys how to bleach your hair or tone your hair better much. You're gonna start off with the 30 volume developer. I'm gonna be using the Wella's Frosty. I'm gonna also be using T180, which is the lightest ash blonde. And I'm going to be using 8A/740.5, which is the lightest ash blonde. Notes to know what it is. So we're using 1 part of this to 2 cups of this. So we're gonna just fill this. Ah! 1. Second time we won't go too hard. 2. So this is our light ash. Now we have lightest ash. We're gonna do the same thing. And y'all see I got those notes to let me know which color is which, because I want it to be a low gradient. Up. So now that everything is, you know, prepared and ready, I'm going to get this scarf over here. This is literally going to protect my edges. So I'm gonna put on gloves to protect me. Oh, after I take down my dang braids, huh? We're gonna just tone it from where we're at, which is this little Beyonce color. Not to get it on a shirt, and just make sure you have on a shirt you don't care about. So we're going from light ash to lightest ash, and we're gonna put Frosty all the way at the bottom. Alright, so now we're at the like top of our head. Over here I'm gonna do like lightest ash. So the colors you want are solely up to you. When you go to the beauty supply and actually look at the colors, you can see, you know, a brief idea of how ashy the blonde is gonna be, or you know, what the color looks like. So how you want your color is gonna ultimately be up to you. Today I'm going to show you guys how I bantu knot and just get my curls to be mo poppin'. I started off by just French braiding my hair. I put a bit of eco styler and some olive oil mousse because I have 4C hair. So even on top of all that, I'm still going to have to go in and silic it down some more. What I'm going to do to my curls, because I might as well do them now because I'm about to sit under a dryer. So I'm gonna just split these 2 sections in half. Brush them out a bit so they're not detangled. I'm gonna put a bit of this Essentials Twist and Set wrapping lotion. 2-strand twist my hair all the way down. Then in the direction that I just twisted it, I'm gonna wrap it up in a bantu knot. There you have it. Alright guys, so we spray that twist and spray in there, detangle out them curls, okay? We take it, 2-strand twist it. For the back, like you can really 2-strand twist it in whatever direction, you don't gotta make it difficult, okay? After this guys, I am gonna definitely sit under a dryer because I fully washed my head. Like I submerged it when I was in the shower. So my tracks are wet and I got a net on. Twist these ones coming forward just so it's like more body, you know? So we're gonna coming forward.
Yeah. Girl, all the rich niggas, they want you.
Do you know that just who you know? I'm not looking with something you don't know. And the days, and the time goes by.
Let me know if you guys like videos like this. It's a whole lot of work. Tell you that much. I woke up this morning all tired from the installation. I was like, shit. Tired, but I still woke up dummy early, so. Okay, so now that my bantu knots are partially dry, I'm gonna go in with this super silkum stuff, run it through my little twists. Super easy. Yeah, we're gonna just unravel the hair. Ooh, this one's kind of wet. My hair smells so good. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do for some added volume and dimension. All right, so we're going to separate our curls. I'm gonna use edge wax to actually slick my hair down. So this is how my hair turned out. I hope you guys love this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, comment and subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you guys like videos like this, like, you know, where I actually do my hair and I show you guys step by step how I do it. And yeah, see you guys next time.
In this bitch, huh? Got 'em asking questions, I'm designing to the fit. And if you want me at your party, man,